Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Um, Before we start the actual process of putting every single layer together, we have to do a couple of things with these pieces right here. So if you notice, almost each piece, almost all the pieces have these sections right here, which are the ones that we use to add that dimension between the layers. But there's a couple like this one right here, and this one right here, that because they have a design or shape, we cannot do anything. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna start from the last layer, which is this one, or the first one. And if you notice, this piece has these sections right here, which are perforated, and these pieces right here, they have also score lines right here. It's kind of hard to see. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold these sections right here, and then we are gonna put this piece right here, and then it's gonna be like this, and we are gonna add glue in this area right here. Oh, sorry. And then we are gonna glue it like this, and I'm gonna do the same with this other side. So this is the last layer, so I'm gonna put it right here, and then I'm gonna grab this one, and I'm gonna use this piece also, and I'm gonna fold it as well, same as I did with that one. So now this piece is gonna go, there's our perforated sections here. It's kind of hard to see, but this piece is gonna go exactly like this way. So I'm gonna add the glue. And here I have this, and with this one I'm just gonna make a small cut right here. Okay, so then for this one, this piece has to be glued like this. Now this layer is ready, and We are gonna follow pretty much the same steps with this one and this little piece, and then we will glue the next layer on top of this one. This one and this one don't require anything to do. Now I have to fold these sections also. In this section right here. And if you're using foil cardstock, I recommend to do it very slow. And then I'm gonna glue all these letters. Now all my layers are ready, and it's time to glue the envelope. No, sorry, the card. This card doesn't have an envelope, so I'm gonna glue here. And we are gonna flip over all the pieces, make sure they are following the order according to the guide, and we are gonna add some glue in this section right here. Glue it right exactly where the two pieces for the car are put together. Then these two pieces right here have to go all the way like this, and just like this, and I'm gonna glue in these sections right here. So then this is the next one. I'm gonna fold these sections right here and this section right here. And then I'm gonna add glue in this section, and it's gonna go exactly like this. And these sections are gonna go all the way like this again, and I'm gluing these parts right here. And this process is gonna be the same for each piece. So now I'm pretty much doing the very last, almost the last layer. This is the last one. I'm folding these sections right here again, and this section has two lines here where this piece has to go this way, and then we're gonna glue this the back so they stay attached. So now I'm gonna glue it to the card, following the same steps. So I'm gonna add glue here, and these pieces are going the same way as previous ones. And lastly, we're gonna glue the Happy Mother's Day section. And you can see that at the end you will have some space to write anything along with the card. Now the inside of the card is pretty much done, and we are just going to add one more piece right here, and it's this heart right here. So we have two options. We can use the heart, or we can just personalize it, adding a picture of our mom. So I have here a picture with my sister also. Just to add an extra touch. The last thing that we are gonna do here is we are gonna kind of create instead of an envelope, something that is gonna cover this section right here. And so I have all these hearts that are leftovers, so I'm gonna keep them, but the one I'm gonna use for this one is gonna be this one, and I have these two letter M's to kind of create the word mom. And I'm also using this one right here, or I'm having maybe this one. No, I think this one much better. And but before to do that, so I have these two pieces, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue them together. We are gonna create some sort of like a belt, and it's gonna go around the card. So I'm gonna do this like right here, and this section that I'm creating right here is gonna be in the back, so we won't see it. So then I'm gonna do this, and we just kind of have to calculate the center right here, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna fold this section right here, and then this one right here, and this is gonna allow me to slide the card like this. If it feels like it's kind of tight, so we can just bring it this way a little bit, and then keep this one the way it was, so we have some room here, and then it slides easier. So when I have this piece right here, I'm just gonna add some glue right here to this piece attached here, and I'm gonna put some pressure. So now I'm just gonna remove it for now, and what I'm gonna do here is I need to see where this heart's gonna be. So I think I'm gonna add it like this, and I'm just gonna go back here, and I'm gonna mark the sections where I'm gonna add glue. Oops, like this. So now I'm gonna add some glue here. And then I'm gonna go back right here, but because I have to make sure that I'm using the center, I'm just gonna go back right here and align into those sections right there. So now I'm just gonna add these letters like this, and this one is gonna go right here too, something like this. Let's bring this one back. This thing back here. So I can tell that I put the put it right. And it has to be so. Okay, so now I'm gonna include the letters right here, so I can do it either like this maybe, and then this one right here. That way we are making sure that they are exactly aligned. So what we will need to do here is I'm just gonna remove this one again here, and I'm gonna place this letter right here to see where is that I will need to add glue. So I'm just making a mark right here and right here, same here, and I'm gonna do the same right here. This is just only if you want to be very precise. Okay, so let's start putting glue here. The card is ready now, and this is how it's gonna work to get it open. And then this is how it look with just a regular heart in the center. And this is how it will look if you personalize the heart with a picture of your mom. I think both ways are cute. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.